All right, so we got ZD, Seagull, Joe, winners finals. Here we go. Going right into it. Sonic, Luigi.
All right. How do you feel about this matchup for Luigi?
I think it's about the same as Mario's. So it's not good if Sonic is camping.
Really?
But the thing about it is, if Luigi catches, he's able to punish harder than Mario is.
Okay. So he would have a better matchup spread against Sonic than Luigi would.
I would say so. And Fireball is a lot better in this matchup.
Okay. His Fireball versus Mario's.
Right. But again, Sonic, he's just camping it out. Just whatever. Ooh.
Okay, nice
stuff. Nice back air. Tried to catch his landing with an up air. Didn't get it. Ooh. Stopped right in front of his shield.
Yeah.
No punish.
Well, it looked like he went a little bit behind the shield, so it was like a shield cross up.
Yeah. Ooh, these double back airs. Can we get another one?
Secret Joe special. Get almost it though.
Yeah, alright. Back throw. Alright, so we got stage control here. Alright. Down throw, keep him off stage, not even. Good tech from ZD.
Alright, nice jabbing.
Ooh.
Like, just snuffed him and walked away.
Ooh.
Went for it. Not bad mash.
Ooh, okay.
Is this? Alright, back to stage.
Yeah. Good recovery.
From what I've heard. Ooh!
Okay. What the hell?
Was that a back air?
That was back air, yeah.
Okay.
It traded with the down B. ZD going for the down B, trying to catch him.
Yeah, that definitely killed too. This is from what I've heard, one of Sonic's worst stages.
Really?
Yeah.
Battlefield?
Yep. I think platforms help you be a little bit safer against his spin dashing. Like the winner killed, so that was smart. Let's jump and
nothing.
Yeah. He didn't get the back air, so like. Oh!
Ooh, untackable.
Yeah.
Let's go.
That's crazy.
Alright, back to neutral.
Just baited him with the spin dashes and got that free grab. Chopping, then he traded. Alright.
It's actually really interesting because Seagull, he's playing this like mid-range game, so where ZD isn't able to really throw out fireballs if he wanted to.
Yeah, because it'll get punished.
Yeah.
Sonic's just that fast.
Right. Oh. Good spring.
Luigi doesn't really look too fast enough to keep up, to punish Sonic landings either. He's not a slow character though. Ooh, nice forward smash. Alright.
Oh wow. Good stuff. Good recovery.
Alright. I thought that would be the time for the spin.
Yeah.
The toilet bowl, but he didn't go for it.
Ooh, waited on him.
Two-framed it. Two-frame neutral get up.
It's really weird. Like, why do people get up on that? I don't understand.
Because
because you can attack.
There's two frames, so but at the same time, if you can trade with that, like get up attack trades.
Oh, yes, you point. But
So,
but in the same breath, like,
dude, did ZD just switch characters?
he did. He probably didn't like the way that went. But in the same breath, like, Seagull Joe probably could have drop up aired,
Yeah,
roll pass.
yeah.
Didn't have the neutral get up.
Nah, I think roll pass would have got him because of the headbutt. I think drop up air would have got it. That would have been safe though. But who knows? Them Mario Bros headbutts, like you don't know what. Like as soon as you see him charging, like I don't know what to do.
Move. Hello?
I mean, but he has you cornered. He has you in a corner.
Not even.
What do you mean? He's at the ledge. All right.
Ooh, hello?
This man ZD has so he has the Luigi, but then other than Luigi, he plays like 5 of the top 10 characters.
Yeah. I think he is in Mewtwo. He's also the best Yoshi in MDVA.
He's not best Yoshi in MDVA. I know it's a meme. I know he's like our white sky or whatever the fuck.
It's still hilarious.
He's not.
Sheik is doing not too good. Ooh, the spring.
Okay.
Oh, good stuff. Oh,
Can he reverse the up B so that he could like lead with his back air back onto the stage?
most likely.
Okay. Wow, how'd that hit him? How'd you let yourself get hit by that? Alright.
Off stage. Down there.
It's so hard to get Sonic off stage to like do anything to him off stage. Okay. That was actually a pretty smart up smash because even if he didn't streak, like the side hitboxes might have actually got him.
Oh, wow.
I've never seen a Sonic do like the up air right immediately after spring like that.
Yeah, probably had a bunch of the input for that.
Yeah.
But it's very, very smart, very good. Sorry, can we just take a second to like look at this woodchuck in the background? Like,
looks like you, boy.
He's like a goat. Boy, you don't do that.
Alright, he's gone. You're lucky. I was about to go in.
Alright. Rolling back and forth. This is quite the deficit to come back from, especially against the Sonic with Sheik, considering, you know, she has a hard time killing.
I don't know if I like the switch too much. I felt like the Luigi was doing okay.
Luigi was doing okay. It's just he didn't, because he knew if he lost the game, he wouldn't be able to go back to battle.
Sure. Okay. So that was a nice trump, but he didn't get.
Yeah, nothing off of it. All right. Ooh. Up throw. Yeah, nothing. Alright, good catch of that spin dash. Ooh. Yeah, no, this is very difficult for Sheik. She's gonna have to find a way in first of all. Oh! Okay, never mind. Randy bouncing fish.
Ran off the stage and did it.
Yeah. Caught that boy.
Oh.
Oh!
Yeah, I wouldn't try to challenge him when you're in that situation.
Yeah.
I'd try to go get to the ledge quick, or at least the stage. Essentially, just try to land.
Let's go.
Oh! Just lay there and just finish me, fam.
Do it.
Nah, after that down throw, he was just done. He's like, all right.
Oh, wait.
Then Seagull just came through with that fatality, like Sonic Punch!
His meter was full. It was his time.
Yeah. Wait, did ZD just counterpick FD against a Sonic?
He did?
This man's a madman.
Maybe he wants to force a neutral, because that's where he was winning against Sonic in Battlefield.
That's true. I don't know. I feel like, because like you can force the neutral, but at the same time, like Sonic's neutral game is like fast.
Yeah. It's like it barely exists, but it's got like at the same time.
Exactly.
Because he just gets in for free most times, and then you just
like
does
that. Yeah, he does stupid shit like that.
Yeah. Hello.
ZD back up, like.
Well, I mean, see, like that, but that's the thing. Like Luigi has to be up close, and like.
But at the same time, I feel like he could get a lot out of waiting for Seagull to come to him.
That's not gonna work. Not against Sonic.
Really?
So that's the problem with Mario.
Can he challenge it?
No, that's the problem Mario Bros have. Like we can't do much about the spin dash.
Okay.
So all
right. So he's spinning dash, spin dash.
Oh my God! Jesus, that wake up DP. Not even wake up.
That wasn't even wake up. That was raw.
That was how you just chased down.
But so like say spin dashing at you.
Yeah.
And you hit him.
It clanks.
It clanks?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the problem.
Yeah.
See, you don't have a sword like your boy here.
Not
and
at
it
all.
clanks.
Yeah.
See, that's why you pick up. That's why you gotta get yourself a fucking weapon. can't come to these shits unarmed. These motherfuckers have superpowers and shit.
All right, so we got ZD pretty good lead right now.
Wait, ZD won the first round.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah. All right. So why is it 2?
My bad.
All right.
I fucked that up. It's something 1-1 right now.
Yeah.
I'm stupid.
Sleeping on my boy.
Sleeping? Hello?
This man said there's no way he won a round.
Not even. I definitely just fucked that up. All right. Anyway, so we still have Seagull. Oh, all right. So things were reversed. No, we weren't reversed.
ZD brought it all the way back.
Yeah. No, he didn't bring it back. He had the lead already.
Did he?
Because he had the Shoryu.
Oh, you're right.
You got it. Ooh, hello? Alright, never mind. Got a little too excited. That back air is dumb strong. Good buffering of the input right there. There's still a lot of people who don't really understand, like, you know, just if you don't want to get trumped, you just buffer or get up options.
Alright, but at the same time, like, it's definitely not easy to just buffer.
Yeah, it is. What are you talking about? You hit the ledge and then you just buffer. Like, it's not hard to buffer.
Alright, but that's if you do that, you're getting on stage immediately, and they might be waiting for you there.
Nah.
What do you mean, nah?
That's the whole mix-up. No, I'm saying, like, if you see the trump coming, there's no reason why you
don't always see a trump coming. Like, sometimes they just run to the ledge and trump.
Nah.
Alright, first of all, if they have a tether like ZSS.
Alright, okay, yeah. And Mario's cape.
Yeah.
Oh. Good 2-frame.
Wow.
Good stuff.
What percent was this man at?
Alright. Game 4.
Let's do that again sometime.
This is definitely game 3.
Let's do that again.
That was game 3.
That was game 3, yeah. You're right.
Ian, we should do this again sometime.
Sonic says he should punch you in the face again sometime.
Osiris needs to get out of my face right now. Thank you. Boy's hot breath in my mouth. Might as well kiss me.
That bird breath.
That bird breath. No. He said sour cream and onion chips.
Alright, it's either running it back stage wise.
Because he didn't do poorly here.
Yeah, he did. He actually did pretty well on this stage. It's not looking too well for him right now. He's gonna have to find a way to start these percent on Seagull.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go. Met him in the air with the up air. Alright, couldn't really follow up with that fireball. Sonic too fast. Oh my god, man. Sonic,
yeah, no rage.
He's just kicking it up right now. Wow, that actually lost to. Oh, he's still good, but that actually lost.
Mario Bros always saved their jump. You know, it lost to it only because he got hit from the head.
Okay. He has no hitbox on top of his
top of his head or the feet. That's where you had to get him. All right. Alright. Okay. Hello? Pre-patch?
Wait, what did he hit him with to get him?
Bro, that was just straight up down throw.
No way.
Down B. Like he just did that.
That's crazy. ZD pioneered the fucking Luigi meta.
Oh,
wow.
Alright. What do you mean? It was Sonic back row with rage?
They've nerfed that like 3 times.
But it was like 130, what are you saying?
Was he at 130?
Yeah.
Alright. Nah, I can't believe
you say they nerfed it like 3 times. Look it out.
They definitely did almost.
Nah.
Alright, once.
He didn't hit with that Greninja. Honestly, Greninja deserves it though.
Yeah, Greninja was broken.
Greninja's broken as hell. The shadow sneak canceling.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And the fucking shuriken.
Yeah, and then down throw was stupid. Down throw, up smash. Hello. All right, off stage. Can we get something?
Slide at the ledge.
Yeah.
Might have wanted the trump there actually. Trying to find an opening. Good grab right out of the air.
Very good grab.
Ooh,
back air.
Right,
He still has
jump. He still has everything. Good mash. Jump. Up B. He almost got 2 frames, but he's good.
The Mario Bros gotta save that jump. Mario, Falcon, Luigi, save those jumps.
Fire Emblem boys. You gotta save my jumps too.
Yeah, too. Yeah, true.
Because our recoveries are free.
Corn, not so much.
Alright, fuck Corn. She's not a Fire Emblem character.
Definitely is.
Alright, but that game was ass.
Conquest wasn't too bad. I know you're looking at me, but like,
none of them compared at all to Awakening.
I disagree, but we don't talk about that right now.
Alright. But we got this man ZD at 132%. Can he bring this back like Seagull did last time? A few more percents and I'm sure you will kill.
Actually, get him just to 50. He's good.
But I think at the ledge, this back air might kill.
No rage.
Okay. But a back air will kill. But after that spring, that took his jump.
Yeah.
He jumped right as the spring hit him.
That was good stuff though.
Let's do that again sometime.
At least we know that's one thing the Sonic games always get right.
What?
The music.
Oh yeah.